Okay, so we've got everything black in these cars nowadays. I don't understand it, dude. So we're taking this piece off. Can I even get a light to shine on this thing? Look at that. Now, you would believe that it would just pop off. So there's 4 tabs here. But what's going to lose is you just pulling down on it. See these 2 little legs right here? Okay, those also hold it in place. Now, if it does come apart, and it most likely will, okay, this literally separates from, look at this. That's how chintzy. And this stays, and this pops off. So you really have to get up in there to pull where you can actually, and this will happen to you. I guarantee it will happen to you. So look, you see, those 4 pop back in, and then this will just pop right behind it. Let's put it back together. Okay, so it will snap right back in to itself. You see? So now you can see it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.